Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Qudhafa English, your friendly English podcast.
Hi, friends. I'm Alex, and I'm so happy you're here.
And I'm Destry. Today, we will learn how to talk about your daily routine in English.
We use simple English today, so don't worry. Just listen, relax, and practice with us.
And if you're new here, please subscribe, like, and comment below. It really helps our channel grow.
All right, Alex, are you ready to start the day?
I think so. But first, I need my coffee.
Okay, let's start our morning routine together.
So, Alex, what time do you wake up every day?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
That's nice. I wake up a little earlier, Polar, at 6:30.
Wow, early. You're an early bird.
I like to wake up early because I enjoy quiet mornings.
Mhm.
I drink coffee and sometimes I read a book.
That sounds nice. When I wake up, I always check my phone first.
Oh, no. Many people do that. But maybe it's not good for the eyes.
Yes, maybe you're right. After I check my phone, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a shower.
Good, that's a clean start to the day. So after shower, do you eat breakfast?
Yes.
I always eat breakfast. Usually I eat eggs, bread, and a banana.
Healthy choice. I like cereal with milk.
Mhm.
Sometimes I eat toast with jam.
Yum. So after breakfast, what do you do now?
After breakfast, I get dressed, put on makeup, and go to work.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus. It takes about 20 minutes.
I drive to work. It takes 15 minutes, but sometimes traffic is bad.
Oh, yes. Traffic can make people angry.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing today.
You learned how to talk about your daily routine in English.
Thank you for listening, friends.
Have a wonderful day.
See you in the next episode of
Qudhafa English Podcast.